Hi. Very frequently we use these words everybody, everyone, somebody, nobody, anybody, anyone, each and every. When we use these words, sometimes there arises a confusion whether we should say, for example, everybody love sweets or everybody loves sweets. Should we say everyone is here or everyone are here? Somebody was there or somebody were there? Nobody come or nobody comes? Or should we say, do anyone know the answer or does anyone know the answer? So here there is a confusion regarding the usage of the verb. Actually, all these words, somehow we think that all these words refer to many. But actually, all these words just refer to one. That is, they refer to one subject. They all are actually singular subjects. And all singular subjects take the singular verb. For example, this we use loves. Here it is, here it's was, and here it's comes, and is, and does, and is. What makes us think that these are the verbs that we should choose? These are the verbs we should choose because they are all singular verbs. Now, how do we understand singular verb? Let's take the third person singular, that is he, she, and it. Any verb that agrees in the present tense with these pronouns or with these words is a singular verb. And all singular verbs take V plus S or V plus ES. For example, he loves fruits, she loves books, or it goes to school with him. So these are the verbs that are singular and they agree with singular subjects. So here, all the verbs that we have ticked here are all singular verbs. Now let's look at some examples. Let's take the first one. Everybody is responsible or everybody are responsible. Everybody is a singular subject, that is one in number. So the verb also has to be a singular verb that has to agree with he, she, it. We cannot say he are or she are or it are responsible. So here is the correct answer. The next one, everyone was or were present yesterday. Again, this is a singular subject, and here naturally we are supposed to say everyone was present yesterday. Of course, this is in the past tense. Do or does anyone know the way? Once we have understood that anyone is a singular subject, the verb has to go accordingly. And we have two choices here, do or does. We cannot say, do anyone know, because we use do with plural subjects. They do their homework every day. We don't say they does. Does is used only with he, she, or it. So here, naturally, the correct usage is, does anyone know the way? The next one, nobody know or knows the answer. Again, this is a singular subject, that is, it should be treated as he, she, or it. And naturally, it takes V plus S, and here, knows is the correct usage. And the fifth one, each of the girls has or have a mobile phone. Here, though the noun here is a plural noun, though we say girls, we are not supposed to treat this as the subject. Each of the girls, here we are talking about each of the girls, that is one girl. So that is every girl in the group. So each of the girls has a mobile phone. Again, when treated as she, we cannot say she have a mobile phone. The correct usage is she has a mobile phone. Now let's look at the sixth example. Here, I have not given any choices, so nobody were interested. We should understand that this usage is not the correct usage. Once we treat this as either he or she or it as a singular subject, the verb has to be singular. And we are supposed to use was because this is in past tense. Were is in past tense and this singular verb is was. The next one, everyone have a gift. Again, this is a singular subject, either he or she or it. And here we are supposed to use has, because have is a plural verb. We say, they have many cars, they have many books, they have many friends. And that's a plural verb used with a plural subject. But whereas here the subject is singular. The next one, every person have voted. It's very clear, every person. This shows a singular subject. So we are supposed to use has. And then the next one, somebody is at the door. What could be the correction in this sentence? In fact, there is no correction in this sentence. This is absolutely the correct usage. We cannot say somebody are at the door, but somebody is, because it has to attach itself with either he or she or it. Then the last one, are anybody present? Anybody is a singular subject. So we have to use the singular verb which attaches itself with he, she, it. Is anybody present? And have enjoyed the session. Thank you.